Here we are, it's the 4th of May 2016, and as you can see I've now got my parasol out, chair and table, and also the perch for the parrot, and we're going to get the parrot out in a minute so I can have a couple of hours of reading and resting. Thank you for watching for now. Okay, here we are then. We've got the parrot, okay. Parrot's on his perch. And he'll enjoy the sunshine with me. I'll just fix his thing to the table. See, he feels around. Come on. There you are. All right, Charlie. Put him on the table and he can walk around, see? If he wants to go down on the grass, he can. She can. Charlie's a female. Come on. Come on. No. There you are. Charlie's down on the ground now, and she can explore. Come on then, come on. That's it. You say, why has she got the chain on her leg? Well, she can still play, even though her wings are clipped, she can still fly. And we don't want to lose our beloved bird. Here we, Charlie. Come on in. There you are. Back on the perch. There you are. And now she's back on the perch. What a lucky bird. She always had to go out there, ring on her leg, but she gives up after a while. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have.